Hello, all these harvesters.
It's amazing. Just amazing.
Oh, bring it over here, Santiago. Santiago, bring the bushel over here. Santiago, bring it over here. Santiago.
Are you guys helping Grandpa?
Here. The big one. Stevie.
What are you doing,
Get
Carlos?
the big ones, don't get the little ones, okay?
With what? Picking peppers? Are you guys picking peppers? Good job, guys.
Here's Santiago.
Don't put it in your mouth, baby boy. It's hot.
Put him in the box, Daddy.
Oh, more! Papa, there's more.
What are you doing, Carlos?
Santiago's got a basket in his hand.
Oh, what are you doing? You go booger. Oh.
Hey, David.
Basket in his hand.
If you can picture this, before we did that addition there, this whole area was full of chili plants, cucumbers, everything.
You had to bring the neighborhood to pick, huh?
Even peanuts and potatoes.
Yeah, even sunflowers.
Sunflowers.
Sunflower seeds. Huge.
We cannot get rid of sunflowers.
I love sunflowers.
They just grow on their own.
Love them.
We'll take them in the box, okay?